Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add information and pictures to the blog that is made by Google called Blogger, and you'll be able to adjust the theme if you like, and the placement of the photos, and anything you need to design the site the way that you want it to look. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to google.com, and when you're there, you're going to look over here in the corner and see the sign in button. You're going to click sign in, and as you can see, I have multiple Google accounts. Some are for work and some are for personal and other. And here's the Arts Council, and you log in with your Gmail address. So I've already got that there. I'm going to click on that, but you would have a sign-in screen, and you would sign in with sewardartscouncil@gmail.com. And then you would input the password and click sign in. And once you're there, the next thing you need to do is go over to the waffle that's up here. And this waffle brings you to the different apps that Google has. And we're looking for Blogger, and Blogger doesn't show right here. So we click more. Did you see how I did that? It said more. And then there's one that says even more, but you don't need that because here's the Blogger icon. And I'm going to click on Blogger. Now it's going to take me to a dashboard of all of the sites that we have. And of course, you want to work on the Seward Mural Society. If you just have a quick post, you can just hit post right here, and it will post and publish it on the front page without you even going into the blog. If you want to look at the blog, you can click view blog, which we can also do from inside the dashboard. I always will right click and open in a new tab, and that way I have both open. So we're going to go over and look at that right now. Here it is as it stands right now. A little bit of information about the coming up murals and the garden murals. So I'm going to go back to my other tab, and I want to get into this to edit it. So I'm just going to click right on it here on the link. It gives you a little bit of information on this page, but it's not really what we're interested in. We've had how many page views we've had on different days. So this is kind of what's really important right here is the side over here. Again, here's a button for a new post if you want to do a new post. And what you're going to be interested in is pages to begin with, because you're going to perhaps want to create some new pages to put on the blog. Right now, let's see, what are the pages that show up? There's no specific pages for this. The pages all link out to the other Art Council sites. Actually, let's not start with pages because let's just start with posts. So we'll go ahead and click post. And again, we can get to it from multiple places. New post here, or I clicked it here. Here is where we can look at the other posts that were already put up. We can edit them if we want. Let's look at that. So I'm going to click edit for the one that I recently put up called New Murals. And you have a choice of two views. And the compose view is going to show you exactly how it looks when it goes on the internet. The HTML view is going to show you all of the code. So I'm sure you're hoping that you don't have to mess with the code. The only time you might want to mess with the code is if you want to override something that's happening in the view. But at that point, you can just ask me, and I'll be happy to adjust a font or fix an alignment or something if it isn't working for you. Or we'll have a lesson 2, and I'll show you that. But for now, that's basically all you do. And you go in here and click and add another sentence. It's kind of like using Microsoft Word in that you've got bold, italic, underline, you've got color of font and highlight. And if you wanted to add a link to something, add or remove a link. But let's go do that on a new page. So I'm going to go over here. Instead of update, because I didn't change it, I'm just going to close. It says the changes will be lost, but I didn't really make changes. So let's do a new post. I'm going to click on new post. Stop for a sip of my morning tea. And so it brings up a blank piece of paper. And first thing we're going to do is title this. Let's title it, we're going to just title it test page for now. And so we're going to go over to the post settings and we're going to click labels and we're going to call it test. And these are where you want to just put keywords to help index the different posts that you've created. Scheduling, if you want to backdate something, this might be important if you wanted to add old information to the mural that's gone back several years. It's important to do it chronologically. You don't want stuff from 5 years ago showing up on the top as your newest post. So you do want to go in and set the date and time. So you just come over here and backdate it however you want. So let's backdate this one to, we'll go into 2014. We'll put it at, let's see, today's date is August, right? Let's make it August 16th, 2013. That's all. Don't need to worry about location. Other options you might have is allowing reader comments or not. You don't really need to worry about this. I think we do have it in the mode where people can comment if they want, but very few people ever do. Okay, back to this page now. So let's say we want to enter a photo. First we'll say hello and welcome to our blog. Now I'm going to just enter a picture. So I click on the picture. Did you see how I did that? Right here, the little picture icon. What's really nice about this is that you can import pictures from all over the place. So from the webcam, I could snap a picture of me right now. I have to allow it and up here, allow. And I'm going to remember that. Close. There. And I can add the selected. It's uploading it. And there it is. Now let's say we wanted to adjust that picture. You just click on the picture. It tells you small, medium, large, extra large, original size, left, center, right, and even add caption. There is a properties button, and typically on the properties button, you want to fill in some alt text. And the alt text is for people who are having web pages read to them. Maybe they're blind, and so when it comes to this picture, it will read it. It will say picture of Lee. So you always want to put an alt tag. That's only fair. I'm going to add a caption. Lee making a video with a, oh, I'll take out the, okay. I'm going to put with a green screen, but hopefully the green screen will go away once I edit the video. Oh, it won't go away from the picture though. That's okay. Anyways, what other options do I have? I want to keep it center. I usually center the photos. It makes the text fall into place nicely. If you do that, let's make it a little bigger. Okay, then I'm going to come underneath that. I'm going to add some more text. Why don't you visit this link? All right, let's make a link somewhere. So what do I want clickable? Whatever I want clickable, I'm going to highlight. So this link, I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go up here and click link. And now this is the web address that I want it to go to. Here's the text that's going to display this link because that's what I highlighted. And I'm going to put in the web address. Now, often what you can do is you can, let's see, how about we go to Facebook? Actually, I don't even know if it'll go to Facebook because you'd have to be logged in. But anyways, nonetheless, I'm going to go to Facebook. I'm going to click in the URL. This is called the URL. It's where the address is. I'm going to copy that. And Control-C is how I copy things quickly. Then I'm going to go back to Blogger, and I'm going to paste. A lot of people do this right-clicking to do it, but if you see the shortcut Control-V, then you don't even have to work with the mouse, and boom, it's there. There it is. And yes, I want to open it in a new window. Pretty much everything I do is open in a new window so that people don't lose the page that they're on. It's nice to have the different tabs open. Also, This no follow attribute, if it's linking to something that doesn't have anything to do with the Mural Society, you want to click the no follow attribute. So I'm going to click that and put OK. And there's the link. Now let's say I want to change it. Look, here's your option to change it right here or remove it. Okay. And then when I'm finished, I simply press publish and up it goes. This is the end of part 1. Thank you.